209RC here, today with another unboxing video of this little guy called SG1602. I got this from Banggood. I'll put the description down below. As you can see, the box is a little bit beat up, but let's unbox it anyways. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. It's manual. It's called Destroyer. If you need the parts number. Alright. Here's the car itself. Oh. Nice little Lexan body. Inside. Look at that. It's 1/16 scale. Truggy. It comes with everything you need. Let's check the battery. 7.4 volts, 700 mAh. I don't know what's that. November 5, 2019, or I don't know, some kind of date. But anyways, let's check out the rest. Put that on the side. Anyways, it's got JST plug. I probably changed it to T plug, DIN's connectors. Break it. What else inside? Let's check it out. I'm guessing this is the wing spoiler. Nice. The charger, USB charger. Everything on the side. Here's the remote control, guys. Basic steering trim, throttle trim, on and off switch. It looks like what is this? It uses only 2 AA batteries. Wow, that's great. Here's the car itself, guys. Nice tires. And this one is a little bit different because the on and off switch is on this side right here, on the side skirt. Alright, let's try to put the spoiler. It's kind of hard to work with this gloves on. I don't know how Kenny ZRC does it. Shout out to you, brother. You know what? I'm gonna take them off. They're kind of big. Look at that, guys. Little bees right here. I'm gonna run it today, and we're gonna see how it performs. Let's take a look at it again with a 360 view. It looks nice. I'm loving the color. Alright, I'm gonna charge up the battery, and we're gonna do some speed runs. I'll see you guys in a bit.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe.